Hey y'all, it's Cat from Cat Southern Charms, back with a very big pro tip for you. Let's talk about mica, chameleon powders, chrome nail powders, holographic glitters, and regular mica in packets. So, let's talk about, I want to add some of these so you get a clear picture. Okay, I get a lot of questions about these chrome powders and the chameleon powders and the holographic powders and all that. And the question is, can I mix these in my resin? This is your, how do I want to say it? This is your go-to guide for that. If your chameleon, chrome, mica, or holographic glitters, we'll call them specialized powder. If it comes in a little bitty jar like this, it is not meant to be mixed in resin. It is meant to be brushed on to silicone directly with makeup brushes, eyeshadow, and if y'all know, it comes with brushes from Let's Resin. For their chameleon powders and chrome powders, they send you these brushes. That's a telltale sign this is not meant to be put in your resin. You can put it in there, but it's not going to have the same effect, and it's not cost effective because the amount of this powder you need to put in your resin to create the color you're looking for would almost use half of this jar in one go. That's not what it's intended for. If you're brushing it on, all you're doing is dipping the very tip of your makeup brush in this powder, right? And a little bit of this powder goes a long way brushing these colors on silicone. Now, when you're using this mica, you can brush it on silicone, but this is best. See how it's in a big jar? These are in bigger jars, in bags. That's because it's intended to be put inside resin. So make sure if it comes in a little jar, if it comes in a little case like this for nail chrome, it's not intended to be mixed into your resin. It's intended to be brushed on silicone to get the effect that the chameleon has, the chrome has, the holographic has. You're going to get your best effect by brushing it on your silicone. So if it comes in a little jar, brush it with makeup brushes, the brushes that come with the mica, eyeshadow applicators, whatever the case may be. If it comes in a big jar, if it comes in a bag, mix it in your resin. There. I hope that helped you guys. I hope that answered a lot of questions that I've been getting about, can I put this in my resin? Can I mix it in resin? You can, but you're not going to get the same effect, and you're going to waste a lot of money. So, there you go, guys. Major pro tip. Make sure you do all the YouTube things so you don't miss more tips like this that I'll be bringing to you very soon. So until next time, y'all, happy arting. Ta-ta for now.